Introduction to a Tech Project Manager's Day.
A tech project manager plays a vital role in guiding teams and projects to success. Their daily workflow involves organizing tasks, communicating with various stakeholders, and ensuring that project goals stay on track. Let's break down the typical day of a tech project manager and discover what their step-by-step routine looks like.
Morning routine, reviewing plans and priorities.
The day usually begins with reviewing the project timeline, checking progress on deliverables, and assessing team workload. Project managers prioritize urgent tasks, prepare for upcoming meetings, and respond to important emails. This early planning helps set clear goals and keeps everyone focused as the day unfolds.
Team stand-ups and progress updates.
A key part of the workflow is the daily stand-up meeting with the tech team. Project managers lead these sessions to discuss progress, address blockers, and coordinate next steps. By keeping communication open, they ensure that every team member understands their responsibilities and the status of the project.
Problem solving and stakeholder communication.
Throughout the day, project managers tackle unexpected issues, from technical roadblocks to shifting client requirements. They schedule check-ins with stakeholders, provide updates on milestones, and adjust plans as needed. Clear and timely communication helps build trust and keeps everyone aligned around project objectives.
Tracking progress and planning ahead.
Before wrapping up the workday, project managers review completed tasks, update project management tools, and analyze team performance. They plan for the next day's priorities and log any lessons learned. This step ensures continuous improvement and prepares the team for ongoing success.